Well, we're getting somewhat near the end of this project on the golf course house, and one of the things we're going to do today is take down the chandelier that's in this main area because it's gold and doesn't go with our color scheme. The other thing is this ceiling fan. It's getting ready to go away right at this very minute. So we're going to replace this kind of plain fan with this one that's a lot more modern and fun. Our ladder was just about a foot short of where we need to be.
Oh, the traffic moved.
So we jerry-rigged this crazy platform. I don't think OSHA would approve. Anyway, we're going to give it a go.
Okay, that's much better.
See? Alright, so the fan's working, hooray, and the light. And here comes Spider-Man. And we're up here a bit, kind of high.
Yeah, it's a little high.
So here's the new chandelier, and we were trying to figure out how high to hang this thing. So we're going to try a few different heights and see if any of them make sense. Here's the fairly unsafe way to put up a chandelier. Okay, so we've got a stripped nut in the bracket and how to make a ladder change. And let's see, the temperature today is like 99 or something, is that
I
right?
think it's 90 outside, but it's got to be 105 up here in this.
Okay.
It is way hot.
Wait, isn't that fan working? That new fan?
Yeah, we need to change the direction.
Okay, so finally, with a little bit of an effort and a major struggle, we have this all hooked up. Let's give it some light. Woohoo!
Yay!
So that looks pretty cool. I'm liking it.
Yeah, I actually think it lights that up very well. Much better than the other one.
Hooray. So here's the fixture from down below. When you first walk into the house, it's pretty neat. So at the golf course house, this used to be the entry from the garage into the house. This is the last remnant that even shows that there was an entryway. It's this step. So we're tearing that up, and it is going to be relocated here to make that little chintzy step more substantial. This is starting to turn out to look like this was always the normal entryway. Well, we're almost finished inside, and so now we are going to transition out to the garage. We're going to try to make this garage pretty interesting. We're going to texturize the ceiling, and then we're also going to do a little flare on the garage floor. Our doors are new, so basically this garage is getting a complete makeover. Okay, that was fun. We've been scrubbing in this garage forever. We're trying to put down our epoxy coating, and I don't know, we've used probably 4 different cleaning products. And anyway, there you can kind of see the difference. This one is somewhat untreated, but these two have already been treated and they're looking pretty clean. So those two have been treated with Etcher. These have actually been cleaned a lot, but they don't have the Etcher on them yet. So hopefully they will clean up just like those. So you're dressing up the fireplace.
Dressing it up, make it look like it belongs.
And that's blending in nicely. And so this is the last step, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And then you will have a fireplace.
Finally.
The struggle.
This one's been forever.
The eternal struggle here at the golf course house. But actually, what's a little bit exciting is all this mess is us trying to organize an extraction plan. We're trying to get out of here.
After 4 months.
Yeah, 4 months. Our list of things to do has dwindled. Well, it's an exciting day at the golf course house because today is the day we're finally going to put our epoxy coating on our 3-car garage floor. We worked quite a while to get this floor into shape to accept the epoxy. Really, it looks like all the oil stains came up. Probably the only issue is there are some paint stains that we could not remove despite much scrubbing. So hopefully that's going to work out all right. And so this is the last time we will see the floor like this, but we're going to have some flare pretty soon.
Okay, that's the rolling alarm. This is gotta work fast.
Okay.
Because we have an hour basically to get this done right here.
It's Monday morning and our epoxy floor has had all weekend to dry, and this is how it turned out. I'm actually really excited about it because if you don't clean the floor well and get all the oil up, the epoxy floor can buckle and create these little circles that they call them fish eyes. But I don't see any fish eyes anywhere. I think somebody's going to be pretty excited to have this floor. I'm probably going to spend a little time in here. Well, we were just talking about how this is classic house flipping. Today actually is the day we're putting the house on the market, and things are looking pretty good inside and outside. But our garage door opener breaks on the final day of this flip. But at least he's working on an epoxy floor.
Yes. Don't have to worry about getting dirty.
That's the silver lining. You're saying hopefully this is our last big project?
Yes.
Okay,
Hopefully
hopefully. So what happened over there with the door?
Well, we'll give it a test run. I think we're good.
Woohoo!
Ready?
Nice! Okay, so for today's flipping fun, we actually did just put the house on the market, but we want to get rid of these shutter. The shutter color is, I guess, mauve. It's something pretty hideous, so we're painting them white, but the complication we have today is there are like 1,000 or more yellow jackets and wasps or something, and they are absolutely everywhere. They're coming out from behind these shutters and the eaves, and it's making it a little bit more challenging than it should be. How's it going up?
Always a complication.
How's it going up there?
So far fine.
And your wasp colony
He's
lives
on that side,
behind
about 2 or
that?
3 shutters up.
Okay. So I've already sprayed with 3.5 cans of wasp killer, and I think it just made everybody angry. So these are Good times. Okay, this is hopefully our final work day at the golf course house. All right, well, let's see how this house turned out.